Hello everyone, welcome. Our today topic is women safety prediction using auto regression. Before going to start, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more interesting and useful projects. We have developed our project as IPython notebook file. This is our project. So before going to start, we want restart and run all this. This is common to every files. So women safety prediction using auto regression. These are our imported libraries. First, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Matplotlib.pyplot is a collection of functions that make matplotlib work like MATLAB. Each pyplot function makes some change to a figure. Example, creates a figure, creates a plotting area in a figure, plots some lines in a plotting area, decorates the plot with the labels, etc. So and then import Seaborn as SNS. Seaborn is an amazing data visualization library for statistical graphics plotting in Python. It provides beautiful default styles and color palettes to make statistical plots more attractive. It is built on the top of the matplot library and also closely integrated to the data structures from the pandas. Next, import NumPy as NP. NumPy can be used to perform a wide variety of mathematical operations on arrays. It adds powerful data structures to Python that guarantee efficient calculations with arrays and matrices. And it supplies an enormous library of high-level mathematical functions that operate on these arrays and matrices. Next, import pandas as PD. Pandas is a software library written for Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. In particular, it offers data structures and operations for manipulating numerical tables and time series. Next, import itertools. From itertools, import count. Itertools. Python's itertools is a module that provides various functions that work on iterators to produce complex iterators. This module works as a fast, memory efficient tool that is used either by themselves or in combination to form iterator algebra. So from the itertools we import the count function. %matplotlib inline. %matplotlib inline sets the backend of matplotlib to the inline backend. With this backend, the output of plotting commands is displayed inline within frontends. So guys, we explained our libraries. Next, data loading. So we use read Excel function from the pandas to read our Excel files. So in the input library, inside we have our Excel files. Our file name is new. The .xls mentioned the Excel file. So we store this in the cdata object. Okay. cdata.headof. The headof function will display the first 5 rows. So see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are our index. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar. These are our rows. State, crime head, 2017, 2007, 2008, 2009. So these are our columns. So in the Andhra Pradesh state, in 2007 there are 1150 sexual assault cases filed. In 2008, 1340 sexual assault cases filed. So like this in the 2009, 2010. So we have records from 2007 to 2018. So our goal is, by using our algorithm, we want to find 2019 and 2020 something. We want to predict next 2 years by using this data. Okay. So did see data state. The use of this statement is, it will display the state column only. See, we have almost 28 states: Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, like this. Okay. So here we ask the index from the user. So here these are the index. When we give some index as input, it will display the it will give the result for that particular state. So here I am give 3, which means Bihar. So enter. Okay. So next, see data. So in this case, we separate the 2000 years and cases. See, 2007 Bihar filed cases 1400. 2007 1400. Like this 2018, 2019, 2009, 2010 to 2011. So we have displayed the year and filed cases. So data type object. We use headof function. So we have only first 5 rows. And then next, we separate the year and crimes values in different names. So year describe this column, crimes describe these values. By using this, we created a plot. See, 2008, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So these are the years. These are the filed cases. So in between this plotted the plot using the values. So next we plotted a line plot. See, same, just we have connected the dots in a line. So next, here the year and values are stored as .csv file in the output folder. This is not necessary, but you must understand we can store our values as CSV files and XLS files for your understanding. So here again we using read CSV function from the pandas to read our .csv files. So this is our data. See, year crimes, these are the column name, year crimes 2007 to 2018. So these are the crime values, filed crimes 1400, 1304, like this. This is our index values. So we have 0 to 11 means 12 records. Okay. So next, tail of means it will print the last 5 values. Head of function print the first 5 rows. Tail of function will print the last 5 rows. So see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So next, we store our year values in X. We store our crimes values in Y. We separate this for our further operations. So Y values, crime filed cases. So info, year, crimes, it will show some information about our files. So describe of, so total count 12, and then mean STD, minimum 2007. So 25% 2009, 50% 2012, 75% 2015, maximum 2018. So these are the, we just print the crime values. So we store our crimes values in input data. So it's not necessary. Next we use from state models.tsa.ar underscore model, we import our AR model. So it will useful for our predictions. So we assign our values. X dot as type of float means we X values. Now X value is integers. We change the X values to float. So this is the statement of our predictions. See the prediction values. This is our test values, predictions values. So 11, 12, 13. See, you can see we have 0 to 11 only we have filed cases. It predicts 12, 13. Next 2 years data we have. In the next year, the cases will be 1768. And the next year 1656 cases. So we predicted for another 2 years also. So this is the bar chart. So last year 2018, our predicted year 2019, and also we predicted the value for 2020 also. So compare with the last year, another 2 years cases will be high. So this city is not safe for women. So guys, this is our project. So it's awesome. Okay guys, thank you. We will meet in another one project.